I'm moving on, moving on. Got the open road ahead of me, chasing highway lines to get to my dreams. Moving on, moving on. I don't know where I'm going, but I ain't there yet. Let this heart of mine be the GPS. Moving on.
My feet will tell me where to go. I'm not afraid to step outside and see the world for what it is. No, spending all my time with people that I barely know. You may have thought that I was lost, and all I need is room to grow. I'm coming home to put a flower in your hair. Thought you should know I'd rather be instead. Sometimes I feel alone, you know it's me and my guitar. We're looking up at all them stars, singing where we supposed to go now. Ruthie, little lady, tell me what you mean to me, and I'll build a house in Byron Bay, if that's exactly where you'll be. I'm coming home, put a flower in your hair. Thought you should know ain't no place I'd rather be instead. No.
burn like me for you. Covered in wonder, sweet in the silence. Oh, we'll keep running, we'll keep running. Leave your worries and your suitcase. Oh, you don't need nothing but you. So don't throw your hopes, start wishing well that your heart needs I carry you. Come and sail with me to the open ocean. Forget to have to dream because there's you. Leave your worries and your suitcase. Oh, you don't need nothing but you. Easy come and easy go. You're an unfading star, a gentle love, the kind that lifts you up, no matter how far apart. I guess you could call it chance, but we know it's more than that. It's like we've always known, been set in stone, unbreakable. It's like I've always dreamed, true harmony, unmistakable, unmistakable. Through each night we'll keep burning bright. I'm so lucky to be loved by you. And come the storms of weather, short or long, well, I'll still be right where you are. I guess you could call it chance, but we know it's more than that. It's like we've always known, been set in stone, unbreakable. It's like I've always dreamed, true harmony, unmistakable, unmistakable. Unmistakable.
Quiet down just a minute, settle down and have another one. 'Cause you're tired of the game that remains until you're undone. I hit the wall to the limit, start over like you've just begun. I didn't lie to you because I never knew you.